Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Jafari. So in today I will show you guys a super simple way on how to basically have the access of an Android mobile device. So this is our Google Chrome and I've created this thing using HTML and CSS. So there is a payload. So let's say the users enter http 10.0.35 slash crypto. So and we will come to this page. So there's a little bit of phishing. So basically, I have created a fake crypto application for our Android, and for Android, it's not that obvious because every single app runs off APK in Android. So let's say I can put this in Google Store, and no one would even notice. Now, obviously, Google Store has strong basically security. But what about third-party apps that a lot of people use? So anyways, so let's go click on download now. Download now. Yes. Open. Install. Open. And continue. And that's all the user had to do. So you see, as soon as I press continue, now it's a payload. So even if I close this, I have the full control of this basically Android device now. So what I can do a lot of stuff right now. So basically I can go SMS or honestly I can go dump SMS. Okay, no SMS were found. Because this is a new basically a new machine or Android device. I just created this. So what I can show you guys, I can show you let's say 222222. I'm gonna say hello, I'm gonna be late. But anyways, this right here, it's where the contacts are. So right now, if I open this, I got the contact of this phone. So this person on the phone has two contacts, one named dad and two named mom. Now, obviously the phone number is fake because this is just for testing. And if I come over here, go to basically phone, and there we go. So this is the two contacts. But again, you can do a lot of stuff. Now, unfortunately, I cannot um, I cannot access the camera, but I will like because there's no camera on this. But unfortunately, I will be able to on the real phone. And I have tested this on my parents' Android phone, and I was able to get it. So with this, I can use an Google API and I can get the super accurate location of this person and where they are and their 24 hours location. Now in this, I don't think it's going to be accurate because this phone it's connected to no. But let's try. So if this works, then I'll be like, okay, whatever. But if it doesn't, then it doesn't. So let's see. And yeah, yeah, it's not an accurate it's not an accurate address, and the reasoning is because when I created this phone, I have put the location somewhere else just for my own good, because I've been testing it. But yeah, this is how if this was a real phone, this is how you get the super accurate location of someone. So there is a lot of other commands that you can do to get the location, or I'm not sure, take a look at the camera or some other. But I'm going to try. I know it's not going to work, but if it does, that would be pretty cool if I can show you guys. Yeah, it doesn't work because this camera, there's no camera. And let me see if I can show you. I don't think screen sharing is even gonna work because let's see. Yeah, even screen sharing doesn't work. But typically, what I can do, and like I said, I have tried this on my last video, and I was able to take a look at the basically what the user was doing on the actual Android because this is a fake Android. But oh, and this is a VLAN geolocate. So this is where you will get the super accurate um location of someone. So I can also listen to the what the user it's saying. I can listen to their mic, but again, unfortunately, it's not going to work. And the reasoning it doesn't work is because this is not connected to any microphone. And I can also go sysinfo to see um, their information about their phone. But the one thing that I can do, take a screenshot. Okay, I'll listen. So, what else you can do? You can also send a message to someone else without the user knowing. So the user will not be able to see it. So I can go send SMS and then in here dash the um, let's say the phone number is 11111 dash G. Hello, I'm using Linux and send. So you see the message was sent, but oh, never mind. The user can see it in this case. So yeah. So the message that I sent, the user was able to actually see it right here. So again, I'm gonna send another message. Let's say to 55555. And I'm gonna say again. Let's see if yeah. So there you go. So the user was messaged because I tried on the other stuff. On the actual real Android, the user is actually not able to see it, but maybe on this one it is. So I'm gonna do this one more time again to see if I can get all the message of the person. So yeah, there we go. So I got all the message of the person, and I'm gonna take a look at all the message that this person has sent, and there we go. So these are the messages that the person has sent, which is just our messages that we send ourselves. But whatever message the user sends, we'll be able to get it. So, hello, my name is Mohammed. Send it to 555-111 and the date. So yeah, be careful on what you're clicking if you have an Android device. Like I said, this just looks like a normal this, and the reason the link looks kind of messed up is because you have to buy a proper domain, and I did not want to spend money on domain. Like it's gonna be like $30 just for just you guys to show. But I also have tried this with Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it's the same result. But with Windows, I have more control of the computer, so I can do share screen. This is something that we call basically keylog. So whatever the user types in their keyboard, I'll have the access and I can see it. And maybe I'll do it in the next video. But yeah, this is basically what you will see. Thank you for watching.